Just a disclaimer before this video starts. To fully grasp the understanding of making a Discord bot itself, you're going to need to have the basics of Python down, including if you're on a 64-bit PC, it's going to be environmental variables, and if you're on a 32-bit PC, which I'm using, you're really not going to have to work with environmental variables. Alright, first what you're going to need to do to even start attempting this is you're going to need to download Python. I use the version 3.6.5 and instead of the latest because for some reason I'm having problems with the latest version of this. You're also going to need a program called Notepad++ because it's a better writing format for Python, and the alternative called idle, which comes pre-installed with the Python package, is kind of trash. I don't suggest using that. So download Python and Notepad++. But today I'm not going to be writing a custom script for a full Discord bot, only the template to run one efficiently, and very simply. It has the basics of what a bot needs, such as repeating back to you when you say a certain phrase, printing a line when you run the Python interface, when booting up your bot, and etc., things like that. To start your very own Discord bot that you could basically turn into a beast if you know what you're doing, which is actually not a lot to know. So basically, once you've installed Python and Notepad++, you're going to want to go to Discord's developer site. You can just Google search it, Discord dev, and it'll pop up. You can log in if you haven't already done so, and etc. Once you get to the dev page, you will see it has apps. Yours should be empty. If you've never created a bot, click on Start a New Application and put a name, a profile picture, and a description, though the profile picture and the description are optional. Once you have that done, you're going to want to click on the tab that says 0auth2. That stands for Zero Authentication 2. Once you're on there, go to, you're going to need to click on the link in the description of this video to a Discord app comments or documents page, which has 3 links on it to put in the redirects URL. I'll put only in the first 2 lines of that into the redirects URL, and you put one URL and then you click add another just below the URL input. Once you have added the first 2 links into that, you're going to want to click on the bot tab right below 0auth2. Click on Add Bot. You will come up with the confirmation tab. Click Yes, and there, once it's done authenticating, you'll have to, you'll finally have a token code that we use to add to a Python script in the description, which is the simple one I was talking about. You'll need to authorize your client ID for this bot by copying the link in the description and replace the insert client ID with your personal client ID code. This will basically just add your bot to your server where you can really start the process of this. Now go to CMD, and you can find it by searching CMD in the bottom left of the search bar if you're using Windows 10. I don't know if you're using Linux or Mac or something, I don't know, but I'm talking about Windows here. Click on command prompt and enter pip install discord.py and wait for that to download. If you're having problems with the pip library on Python, search up pip environmental variable Python on YouTube. Once you have installed this, if you're having problems with pip, which a lot of people do if you're on a 64-bit PC, you just watch a video on environmental variables in Python. It's actually really simple. Once you've installed the discord.py using pip, this is where you can just easily copy paste the template script I have in the description. That's basically a working template that shows you the basics of having it repeat back to you once you give it a certain command and so forth. Alright, here you go. Boot up Notepad++, go to File, then go to Save As, then save it to your desktop as a .py or Python file. Copy paste the pre-built script into Notepad++ you just saved and name it to your desktop. Copy your token ID at the bottom of the script where it says client.run, and within the parentheses it says token. basically replace token with your token ID. This will make it so when you boot up the script, it'll automatically link to the Discord server and turn it online. It'll turn the bot online. And that's how you create your own Discord bot. If you want more in-depth detail on this script, I strongly suggest just learning what the template does. Add it onto using code you write, basically writing your own code and learn it. Because almost every other video online is just really annoying, and the template script doesn't work. Also, remember to sub and like this video for more coding tutorials, and I will see you guys next time.